Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the App Store and install Google Translate on your iPhone. Allow microphone and camera permissions when prompted so features will work. Tap the language selector at the top and choose your source language. Then choose your target language for translation output. To use offline, tap the language name and download the offline language pack. Packs typically range from 50 to 100 MB, each depending on the language. Keep both languages downloaded for full offline capabilities. Tap the camera icon to translate printed text instantly with your iPhone camera. Frame the sign or paper and wait for the live overlay translation to appear on screen. For two-way spoken translation, tap conversation mode and choose each participant language. Tap one side to speak, and then let the app translate aloud to the other language. For quick voice entries, tap the microphone button and speak clearly for near real-time translated audio back to you. When you see a useful translation, tap the star to save it to your phrasebook. Open the phrasebook to review and practice commonly needed phrases offline. Use the History tab to find recent translations and reopen them for editing. Each translation has listen, copy, and share buttons for practical use. Tap listen to hear pronunciation aloud. Tap copy to paste the text into another app, or share to send it via messages or email. Adjust settings for speech speed and voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.